Welcome to jzgraphics. Have you ever struggled to find high-quality PNG images for your projects? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm revealing 5 amazing websites where you can download free PNG images with no hassle. Let's get it started. Go to your browser and search Pngimg. Click on the first link. This website solely dedicated to transparent PNG images. It offers thousands of images across categories like technology, food, nature, and even famous brands. You can also search your required image. Scroll down, and you can see there are multiple cars. I like this one, so I'm going to download this. Click on the download button, and it's downloaded without any hassle. Open the image, and you can see it's high resolution. I opened the PNG image in Illustrator. The second website is Clean PNG. Search Clean PNG on your browser. Click on the first link to open the website. Clean PNG, a simple yet powerful platform for downloading free transparent PNG images. With an extensive collection of user-uploaded PNGs. It's an excellent choice for finding unique elements. Click on the download button. You can also download the trending PNGs. And you can see it's high quality. The third one is Stick PNG. Type Stick PNG and search. A website known for its huge collection of transparent PNG images. Whether you need gaming characters, celebrities, or random objects, Stick PNG has them all. You can also search as your required object or image. I am searching cartoon characters. There are many slides for cartoons. Click on Download, and it will take only 10 seconds. Put the cursor on the image, and you can see how the image will look in PNG. Next one is PNG Pix. Search PNG Pix. You can also search according to your choice, and it has also preset images. There are multiple options in popular PNGs. And finally, the last one is Kind PNG. Search on browser. I am searching strawberry. And you can easily download it. Use these websites smartly by combining PNGs to create unique designs using tools like Photoshop or Canva. And always check the licensing terms if you're using them for commercial projects. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.